Hi. Now I tell you about the 10 etiquette rules when travel of Colombia. Remember, Colombia is a very large country and has different regions, each with his own custom. In Colombia, the people speak Spanish, but his pronunciation is different in every region, and the words can be different but have the same meaning. Now, don't worry if you can't understand. There is always someone to help you. Now, I will mention some of what of key things are the most important. One, one, greet always. When you get a place, it doesn't matter if you don't know anyone. Remember, greet always. Two, don't know it with your hands. Yeah? Always use a curl. Other typical food shows the empanada, eat with your hands. Three, magic words. Yeah. When you need sometimes, always say the magic words to the Colombian people. Please and thank you. This is the typical in Colombia. Four, yeah, when you are at the table, finish eating, you should ask permission before getting up. Yes. Five, amor. The people of the commune in the street, for example, in the typical market, use the word how lovely or neighbor for offer your product, but don't worry, it's normal. Yeah. Six, invite. In Colombia, we are the sexy, but it's normal that if you invite a girl out, you pay the bill or more of it. Yeah. Seven. If you are in that house, bring a present. No matter if it's small, it can also be a dessert. This is a sign of appreciation of your culture. Yeah. Now, hey, if you are a public transport, give give up the chair of the elder person, of the pregnant woman. Yeah? Nine! In some place, we still think women come first, and we open the door to them. Yeah? Now I go to 10. This is typical in the small cities and the dam and the in the farms in Colombia. Yes, our parents and grandparents and are very important. In some regions, we ask their blessing when we see them. Yeah? Now remember. Now you are ready to travel around Colombia. Enjoy it. Bye.